Kingdom Protista. Let's talk about the second kingdom, that is Kingdom Protista. Characteristic features of Protista are simple unicellular eukaryotic organism. They have defined nucleus and they also have membrane bound cell organelles. For locomotion, they have hair-like structures called cilia in the case of paramecium. They also have whip-like structure called flagella in case of euglena and pseudopodia in the case of amoeba. Some protists have cell wall which is made up of cellulose, whereas some protists have chloroplast and are called as algae. They are autotroph, that means they prepare their own food. Some protists have animal-like cell without cell wall and chloroplast, and they belong to protozoa, and they are heterotrophs in nature, which means they cannot prepare their own food. Examples: protozoa like amoeba, paramecium, and euglena, and unicellular algae like chlamydomonas. Let's take a look at amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism which is found in aquatic habitats like ponds, ditches, and standing water. It is irregular in shape and its shape changes by formation of new pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is the false feet that amoeba has. So the structures which we can see over here are called as pseudopodia. Amoeba moves by forming new pseudopodia in the direction of movement, and pseudopodia also helps amoeba in ingestion of prey. Body of amoeba is covered by thin cell membrane which we can observe in this image. This is the cell membrane of amoeba. The cytoplasm has nucleus in the center, a large contractile vacuole filled with water, and one or more food vacuoles. Digestion of food occurs inside the food vacuole, and the undigested food is excreted from the body through cell membrane. Here we can see the process of ingestion and excretion in amoeba. Here this is the prey or the food particle that amoeba is going to consume with the help of this projections called as pseudopodia. Here a temporary food vacuole is formed in which the food is digested and remaining undigested material will be removed out from this cell membrane. Contractile vacuole helps in excretion of ammonia, that is the nitrogenous waste, and removal of excess water from the cytoplasm. In amoeba, exchange of gases for respiration takes place through cell membrane. Oxygen dissolved in water diffuses into cytoplasm and carbon dioxide diffuses out in the surrounding water. Here we have the reproduction of amoeba by splitting into two, and it is called as binary fission, which means breaking down into two. The nucleus is going to divide first and then two daughter amoeba would be formed. But during unfavorable condition, amoeba undergoes multiple fission in which parent individual forms a cyst and divides into amoebulae. On getting favorable condition, the cyst rupture and the release of daughter amoeba take place. Here we have the cyst. We can observe the stuff covering which is called as cyst, inside which we can see many daughter nuclei and small amoebulae are forming here. Next, when the condition would become favorable, the cyst is going to rupture, releasing the daughter amoebae.